Hi everyone, I am K. Ramesh, Assistant Professor, Department of Mathematics of Dr. SNS Program of Science, Bangalore. In this case study video, we are going to discuss about the case study on simulation based on the demand problem. So first, what is the meaning of simulation? Simulation is a reflection of a real-world system which the characteristics and the behavior of the given set of data. So the simulation used for large number of complex problem and get the solution from that purpose we apply the simulation model. So in this problem, so what are the problem statement of this simulation demand problem? So anybody?
Engineer sells a particular model of washing machine for which the probability distribution on daily demand is given. Day 1 0.05, day 2 0.25, day 3 0.20, day 4 0.25, day 5 0.25, using the data for 10 days and find the average demand for next 10 days per month.
So from the data we calculate what is the next 10 days demand and what is the average demand of each day. That is a problem statement of this simulation model. And random numbers are given. So demand per day 5 days are given and the probability is there. So what is the corresponding probability for each day? So next we write what is cumulative probability. How we write cumulative probability?
Like 0.2.
Okay.
Second answer is plus 0.05 plus 0.25.
Okay. So first we write is 0.05. Then add this with this 0.25. Okay. So it is 0.30. Next.
Plus 0.30 plus 0.2.
And with this 0.05. Okay.
0.25.
1.00. Why it is 1.00? Because the probability range is 0 to 1. So if our final answer is 1, then this cumulative probability is correct. Good. Okay. So we calculate the cumulative probability. Using this cumulative probability, we calculate what is the random number interval. So how write the random interval?
First, we have to add 0.04 and it ends with 0.29 and it ends with 0.49.
Yes. As it is, we start from 00 to 04. The next is 05 to 30, that is 29. Next is 30 to 49. So I'll calculate the next interval, yes.
Start from 50 and 74, sir. And
Yes.
next random interval is 75 to 99.
19. Got it. So these are all the random number of interval. Using this interval, we simulate what is the next 10 days demand and average demand. So this is the next part again. Now we calculate demand for each day. There are 10 days we simulate. So first day, the random number is 68. How to calculate the demand for first day? Yes.
First day, random number is 68. Random number interval 50 to 74. The demand day is 4.
4. That's very difficult on 4. Okay, what's next? What is next?
Second day, random number is 47.
Okay.
The random number interval is 30
So
to
what is the
49.
line between? Here.
39.
Yes.
Random day is
3. The corresponding demand is 3. Got it. Next, how calculate the demand for third day?
So the third is random number is 92.
Yes.
Random number interval is 75 to 99.
Okay.
Corresponding day is 5. So demand
Yes. So it's the corresponding day is 5, therefore it is right. And the next day is 4th day, random number 76. Okay. Where is 76? 76
to
like
99. So,
Yes.
again, the corresponding day is 5.
5. Therefore, the demand is 5. Yes. Next. So calculate this demand for this random number.
Random number is 86. In random interval, it's like between 75 and 99. In total, correspondingly it's 5. So the demand will be 5.
Nice. Next.
The random number of 6th day is 46. And in random interval, it's like between 30 to 49.
Yes.
The day is 3, so the demand will be 3.
3. Right. Good. Right. Next. 2, 4, 6, 7th day.
the seventh day random number is 60. The random number interval is 5 to 29.
Yes.
The corresponding number is 2.
2. Right.
The 8th day random number is 25. The random number interval is 5 to 29.
Yes.
The corresponding smaller number is again 2.
2. Yes, good. So likewise, the random number for, yes, correct, good. Yes, the 90-day demand, the random number is 35. So 35 lies between 30 to 49. Its corresponding day demand is 3, therefore the demand is 3 here. Likewise, 54, the random number 54 lies between this interval and corresponding demand is 4, therefore the number of days the demand is 4. Okay, so these are all the demand for all the 10 days. So this was simulated for 10 days for the given data. Now we calculate what is the average demand of each day. So how calculate average? Average means the average actually p value, that is sum of all the data divided by number of data. So here 7, 17, 20, 25, 29, 32, 36. So the sum is 36 and the data, total number of data is 10, therefore 3.6 per day. So the average demand for each day is 3.6 washing machine. So that is the meaning of this simulation. So what is the conclusions? From the given data, there are 5 days are given and its corresponding demand possibility is given. Using this data, we simulate what is the 10 days demand. Using that, we calculate what is the average of each day. So that is the uses of this simulation model. Thank you to all for